Hello, my dear friends. Dr. Dhawan here, your ENT faculty. What can be a bigger pleasure on a Sunday morning rather than getting a news that one of our students, Dr. R Krishna, he has secured 81 rank in INICET, the most I would say prestigious exam in the postgraduate category in medicine. And Dr. R Krishna, from each one of us and DocTutorials, the academic team, the technical team, the everyone, we wish you really, really heartiest congratulations to you and to your family also. And it's a proud moment for you, your family, and for us, of course. And Dr. Krishna, may I request you to tell a little bit background about yourself, your undergraduate journey till now.
Hello everyone, this is Krishna. I did my UG from Madras Medical College. I am from 18 batch. I completed my internship on May 2024. I gave May INICET and got a rank of around 1700. Then I gave the NEET PG and got a rank of around 1200. So this is my third postgraduate exam and second INICET exam.
That speaks for your determination. You did not, leave INICET, and you have made such a tremendous jump, 81, and that gives hope to a lot of people who would not have cracked a very good rank this time. If they're hearing you can take inspiration from Krishna that things can be really done much better, because it's a game of next 3 to 4 months and the exam is ready for you one more time. And Dr. Krishna, may I tell the viewers that Krishna is from Coimbatore, a wonderful city, and studied in Chennai in Madras Medical College, and now thinking about where to go, Chandigarh PGI or Chippa Pondicherry or somewhere else. Krishna, what is your take on NEET PG versus INICET? How the preparation is different, or is it absolutely same now?
Till last year, I think it was a different preparation altogether. But this year, the line between the NEET PG and INICET got merged. And NEET PG was more like a INICET and INICET was more like a NEET PG. This year, actually, it felt like it's an easy paper, the INICET November. But the options were quite tricky. So, preparation was more or less the same. The content is going to be
there is an overlap.
Just
definitely.
Our approach towards the exam differs.
Yeah, guys, I think this is a very important message from all such interviews. What we really aspire to do, first, to definitely celebrate the success of the doctor and to give message to the next aspirants that there's no critical difference now between NEET PG and INICET. Yes, the type of question, match the following, etc., they are a little different. So you need to have a little different approach while doing the questions. And from question, I would like to take Dr. Krishna's opinion about theory versus question. If you have got 12 hours, how would you distribute? How many hours for theory revision and how many hours for the MCQ based revision?
Actually, there are two components of any postgraduate entrance preparation. 50% should be of the content and 50% should be of the question. One shouldn't overdo the questions, or neither one shouldn't underdo the questions. So in a day, if there is 8 hours, I would usually do 5 hours of content and 3 hours of question bank. Question bank is how to say?
Very good. And I think I would totally agree with 60-40. I always tell.
Yes, sir. 60-40 should be
absolutely, because at the end of the day, it's not a subjective paper; it's objective paper.
Yeah. Objective, yes, sir.
Yeah, absolutely. So, guys, this is a message from Krishna to all of you that if you can divide a day like 60-40, if you read 5 hours, for example, the theory revision, please do 3 hours to the multiple choice question based study. That's very important. Krishna, did you use any of the question tools of DocTutorials for your preparation?
Yes, sir. DocTutorials was of great help, especially during the INICET preparation, sir. Question bank was of a different level compared to other platforms. DocTutorials questions were of different level, and it gave an edge for me over the others. For last 3 months of my preparation, I used
lots of
DocTutorials features. Sorry, sir.
Thank you very much, Krishna. And that is a validation for our attempt, which we started a couple of months back, that this will be the first Q bank curated by faculties only. And I think we are now seeing that difference in perception about the Q bank actually. And we are glad that people who are scoring such good rank, they're able to take help of that particular content. Because each and every faculty who is a teammate in DocTutorials have invested their, like lot of time into, creating a new kind of Q bank, which should be similar to what is being really asked in exam, with lesser number of mistakes and with explanation with being appropriate. Krishna, we have introduced one more, unique tool in our app, particularly Q bank, the video explanation.
Yes, sir.
Did you happen to use that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I used it. A few people might capture the content just by reading the explanation, but few people need an somewhat better explanation in the form of video or something. DocTutorials stands unique in that way, sir. Video explanation gives a very crisp and better explanation of the question, sir. So it was very useful.
Thank you very much, Krishna. Because video explanation, the idea was it's not a subjective paper; it's objective paper. So we need
Yes,
not
sir.
really, have a lot of theory to really write over there. If you know why the choice is correct and why other choices are not correct, and there's a very good discussion around that. But that can be summarized in a span of 1 to 1.5 minutes per question.
Couple
It
minutes.
will definitely
Yes, sir.
make the life of the, preparing doctor a little better. Because yeah, yeah.
Better. Yes, sir.
Because you know what, the subjects are 19, and the pinnacle has to be touched to get a rank what
Yes,
you
sir.
have. So the idea in doctoral, what is the attempt in our part is to innovate and innovate. Because at the end of the day, we want to give the best content in a palatable manner to the student. So I'm glad that you could really take advantage of that. Krishna, if I may ask you, the prof distribution in the INICT, like first prof, second prof versus the clinicals, do you think it's different from NEET PG? Is the tilt towards pre-para more still, or in this exam, or it was like getting equalized this time?
Usually in INICET, first and second year subjects will be given much more importance than third and fourth year, sir. But this time, I don't think so. They did that, sir. It was more of a medicine and surgical and OG paper than the preclinical paper. They have reduced the part of number of questions in the preclinical paraclinical part, sir. That's what I felt.
The
But
most important thing about the Indian PG exam is they are true. Yeah. So, we can't predict the pattern of the exam. Actually,
pattern of
sometimes,
the paper.
it's like first and second prof getting more, yes. But now, we find this time I agree, they were like equal important, just like NEET PG kind of feel was there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This time it was a completely different paper, sir. It doesn't seem like a typical INICET paper.
True, true. I'm glad. And have you been following our faculty team or anyone who has really helped you in your journey? You would like to really, right from your
Yes, sir.
formative
Yes,
years
sir.
to
A
now?
lot of faculties helped me throughout the journey, sir. Especially Vandana ma'am and Rajamendran sir, you, sir, and especially Vandana ma'am and all, I have been following since second year, sir. I have been following since third year, sir. Rajamendran sir also I was following since final year, sir. I would watch all of his videos, and his videos were
Great,
also
great,
was of
wonderful.
very great help, sir.
Wonderful. Did you see the RDX? We did a rank deciding series this time because we wanted to do
Yes, sir.
something new again.
Yes, sir. It was a
Did you
very,
happen
very
to
great
watch that
news,
on
sir.
YouTube?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Every day on 7 p.m. I just give their RDX series, sir. No matter what I study, I will daily. I would never miss to give a RDX test and following it with the video solution in the YouTube, sir. It definitely gave a big extra edge, sir.
Wonderful, fine. There's the RDX series about rank deciding series which we did for INICT this time, and it will be certainly useful resource for the upcoming NEET PG. As Dr. Krishna said, that the exam was much more similar to NEET PG. So all the NEET PG aspirants and the future INICT aspirants must look at those videos because they were drafted in such a way to create an edge for your preparation. And I'm glad Krishna also could take benefit. And Krishna, two concrete messages for the future aspirants of INICT NEET PG. What would be your mantra for them?
Do as many tests as possible. Give as many grand tests as possible, especially from DocTutorials, because unlike other platform questions, DocTutorials GT have a unique way of questions, especially in the grand test. So we should give all the grand tests from DocTutorials if possible. Then subject-wise test and custom module. Custom module is one of the greatest feature ever created. we should give at least 2 to 3 custom modules every day of around 40 to 50 quizzes throughout our preparation. No matter if we have completed all the 19 subjects or not, we should do the custom modules regularly and should be consistent with that, sir. Then question bank we should
Awesome.
how to say, we
Very
should
good.
try to solve all the questions, but at least the PYQs we should try to complete.
So I think Krishna has very clear-cut message for everyone. Please do, questions, GTs,
Questions.
custom modules, mock test, whatever test you get, they are very important. And I am totally aligned with Krishna because I'll always propagate this thing that at the end of the day, it's an objective paper. You have to solve multiple choice questions. Whatever theory you learn, implement that, learn from the mistakes, and improve your rank the way Krishna did from the last time INICET 1500 plus rank to today below 100 rank, which is amazing. Last thing, Krishna, how much was your attempt? How many questions you attempted in this paper?
Actually attempted 191, sir. But on the scorecard, it appeared
great.
different, sir. I think they gave some grace marks also, sir.
Some controversial question when they come, they
yes,
gave it to everyone, actually, like that. It may be like that.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sure.
I guess.
Okay, great. Krishna, which is your branch of choice? You are going medicine side, surgery side, or what is your, future
medicine,
plan?
Sir. It has been my passion since third year to take only medicine, sir.
Wonderful. So either you go to Jipteri or you go to Chandigarh PGI. Both are very good places for medicine. And hope to see you soon, either in Chennai or in Pondicherry or in Chandigarh. And once again, from our team, we wish you good luck and we wish to see you, doing really, really great. And if you aspire to become a super specialist, we have got, I think, the best program of NEET SS in the country.
Yes, sir.
And we would love to have you there again. And
thank you,
once
sir.
again, thank you very much and wish you good luck
thank
for the
you
future
so much,
endeavors.
Sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you to the entire faculty team and the team of DocTutorials for this, sir.
Thank you very much. Thanks. I will pass on your message to everyone.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.